One day, Prophet Muhammad was traveling when he saw a deer tied to a tree. A hunter had captured it. The deer looked at the Prophet with sadness in her eyes and spoke, "O Messenger of Allah, this hunter has caught me, but my little ones are alone in the forest waiting for me. They are hungry. Please ask him to let me go so I can feed them. I promise I will return." The Prophet went to the hunter, who was a Jew, and said, "Will you release this deer for a short while?" The hunter shook his head. "If I let her go, she will never come back." The Prophet replied gently, "If she does not return, I will pay you for her." Out of respect, the hunter agreed. The rope was untied and the deer ran quickly toward the forest. Not long after, she returned, just as she had promised, and stood beside the Prophet. Seeing this loyalty, the Prophet turned to the hunter and said, "Will you sell her to me?" The hunter, deeply moved by what he had witnessed, said, "O Muhammad, I will not sell her. I gift her to you." The Prophet smiled, untied the deer completely, and said, "Go back to your children and live in peace." The deer looked at him with gratitude before running back into the forest. This beautiful event reminds us that mercy is not just for humans, but for all of Allah's creation.
Thank you for watching my video. I will be back with my new video. Follow me, you don't miss it, my new video. Thank you. Bye.